Welcome to Engineer Investor. Today, I thought I'll bring some points about IPOs. This initial public offering we have seen in the past also. When a company want to grow, they want more funds. They normally go for initial public offering, that which is known as IPO. So during which time the uh, company will get funds from public investors and HNI, FADI. Many people will invest. If the company is good, there will be a lot of competition for these IPOs. So we can also, as a retail investors, can apply for IPOs and get allotments. So we will see about these IPOs here today. As and today, these three IPOs which are good are open: Meesho, Acres, and Vidyawires. We'll see one by one some key important parameters, and we can decide based on that how we can see. I'm not going to dive into deep details, just high points which we can see and take our decision. And this is Meesho. Meesho, most of you know, it's an online purchasing website wherein we can purchase, I think, apparels mostly. So IPO date is December 3 to December 5, 2025. So today is December 4. So I haven't yet applied for this. We will see how we can choose IPOs. What are all the critical parameters, very high level parameters that we have to see. I'm not going to dive into detail because that is will take a lot of time. I just give you a brief about what are all the key points that we can see. Here, face value 1 rupee, price band is 105 to 111 per share. So one share, if we buy, we have to apply at 111 rupees cutoff price. 105 we can apply, but what happens if there is uh, a subscription is more, then obviously they will take the higher price only, triple one only they will take. So it's better always to apply at the cutoff price. Cutoff price here is maximum price, triple one, 111 per share. And IPO open dates 3rd to 5th. Basis of allotment, finalization date is 8th December. So that means IPO is open from 3rd December. We can start applying from 3rd itself until 5th we can apply. And then basis of allotment, the final list of eligible uh, shareholders to get the shares will be released on 8th December 2025. And once if we apply and we don't get that, we are not a lucky shareholder, then we will get our money unblocked from the bank. So that also I'll tell you, explain. What happens in IPOs, especially the fund will be with our bank account only. It will be just blocked when we apply. It will not be taken by the company. So what happens if our name appears in the list? Then the fund, whatever blocked, will be taken by the company, and the shares will come into our demat account. If it is not, if we are not selected, then the bank account will unblock the fund. So the fund will be available for us. We can use for any other investment, or we can take it, uh, redeem it also. So that refunds initiation is 9th December. So 8th December allotment, 9th December refund. So within a day it will happen. And IPO listing is on 10th December. So 10th December it will be listing in the exchange. So that day it will start trading in the secondary market. Profit, and here we see day one subscription. So that means how many subscriptions, how many times over subscription happened. For example, day one retail, you have to see the retail 4.13, and day two 8.13. So for one share on day one itself, 4 persons were participating against one share. Similarly, here, second day, 8 people are competing. So total 12 people, 8 plus 4, 12 people are competing for one share. So this one share will be allotted for any of these 12 members, one of these 12 members. So that much of competition will be there. Next IPO, we see Acres. Acres is, it is a company, they are into toys making, some plastic manufacturing, as well as aerospace components manufacturer. I have visited to this plant also. They are in Belgaum. It's a very good, like a corporate company. It is a corporate company, and it is an Indian company. It's not an MNC, but it looks like like an MNC. So AKS IPO dates, as we see, this also same dates, 3rd to 5th December, and allotment is on 8th December. Refunds will start 9th December. Credit of shares also, if we get allotment, 9th December, and the IPO listing will be on the same day, 10th December. And here the issue price is 118 to 124. So we can say 124 is the cutoff price. And the lot size is 120 shares we have to buy. We cannot share 1, 2 shares and all. One lot we have to buy in IPO only. So we have to buy 120 shares. That becomes around 15,000. Normally these IPOs will have, we can fix 15,000. It will be like 14,000 to 15,000 rupees. That lot size will according to the price will vary. We can typically say 14 to 15,000 we have to keep for one lot subscription of any IPO, not SME IPO. SME IPO is different, that we will see one more day. This is a main board IPO, normal IPO. So here also you see that GMP, gray market premium, this is trading at 45 rupees premium. 45 rupees means 124 plus 45, it is going to be 169 rupees listing time. It may increase or decrease accordingly. So we can say today, as you see, on third you see it is 169.5, and second if you see 170. So from 170 it has reduced to 1 rupee reduced. Like this it can reduce also, or it can increase also. So that depends on the market and the demand and supply. On this subscription also, as you can see, retail is on day one itself 12 for one share, 12 people are competing. Day two for one share, 28 people are competing. Tomorrow, day three, wherein I am going to apply for it, we will see how many subscriptions are there. Whether am I lucky enough to get this share. Next is Vidya Wires Limited. So this IPO, as we see here, this is also again December 3 to December 5th. See, some good companies, IPOs will come at the same time. All are same time. We have to have 15, 15, 15, 45,000 to apply for each one lot in each of these. So that's why we have to keep watch of this IPO, and some people keep huge lump sum money. They will park in debt funds or in FDs, so they can immediately take and apply in all of these. And if you see the price band here, 48 to 52 rupees, and 280 to 8 shares is one lot. So here 288 shares. If you put 288 into 52, it is going to be somewhere around between 14,000 to 15,000. So that's the thumb rule. And IPO dates, as we see here, this is the same date. There is no change. And premium, gray market premium, as we see here, it is at 6 rupees. So against 52 rupees, 6 rupees. That is, again, it is not small, 11 percentage. And it may increase or decrease when it is going to list. So here subscription also we see. It is on day one for one share, 4 participants. On day two for one share, almost 10 participants in retail condition. So yeah. So come to conclusion, Meesho can apply for listing gain. That means we can apply on listing day. If we get allotted on listing day, we have to sell and come off. So we will see a handsome profit. Even in worst case also, we will be seeing at least 20 to 30 percentage profit. Yekas, we can also apply for listing gain. That is the same case. And Vidya Wires, I am neutral on this because the premium is only 11 percentage. If it goes to zero, then you may not get any profit. You may have to sell it, or you may have to keep it long term. Yeah, that's all. Thank you.